Deserts are dry, very, very dry and hot, but people living in the desert still need to eat. Growing food in the desert is hard, but important. More people means we need more food. Deserts cover a lot of our planet. If we can grow food there, it helps everyone. Learning to farm in the desert is also about being smart with water. We need to use less and grow more. People have been farming in deserts for a long time. Despite the harsh conditions, they found ways to cultivate the land and grow food. They had to be clever to survive. Innovative techniques were developed to make the most of the limited resources available. In the Middle East, for centuries, people have directed water from underground wells. This ancient method, known as qanat, involves creating underground channels to transport water. This keeps plants alive in the hot sun. The irrigation system ensures that crops receive the necessary moisture to thrive even in extreme heat. In Africa, some communities plant trees that can handle very little water. These drought-resistant trees are crucial for survival in arid regions. These trees help hold the soil together too. By preventing soil erosion, they maintain the land's fertility and support sustainable agriculture. This makes it easier to grow other things. With the support of these trees, a variety of crops can be cultivated, promoting agricultural diversity and food security in desert environments. Today, we have new tools to help us grow food in the desert. One of the most important is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation gives water directly to plant roots, drop by drop. This saves a lot of water compared to older ways of watering. Another technique is using greenhouses. Greenhouses are like special houses for plants. They protect them from the harsh desert sun and wind. Growing like in a lab. Imagine a place where plants grow in perfect conditions, almost like a science experiment. Some places are even using hydroponics, a method that allows plants to grow without soil. This is like growing plants in water without any soil at all. The roots dangle in a nutrient-rich solution, absorbing everything they need to thrive. Hydroponics uses special nutrients mixed with water to help plants grow. These nutrients are carefully measured and mixed to provide the perfect balance for each type of plant. It can be done in the desert because it uses less water than traditional farming. This makes it an ideal solution for arid regions where water is scarce. In the United Arab Emirates, they are building vertical farms. These innovative farms stack layers of crops in tall buildings, maximizing space and efficiency. These farms are like tall buildings filled with plants growing under special lights. The LED lights mimic sunlight, providing the energy plants need to grow, even indoors. This method not only saves space, but also allows for year-round farming, regardless of the weather outside. Not easy being green. Desert farming isn't easy. One big challenge is water scarcity. Deserts don't get a lot of rain. Another problem is the soil. Desert soil can be very sandy and not have enough nutrients for plants to grow strong. Despite the challenges, people are finding ways to overcome them. New technologies and innovative ideas are making a difference. Hope for the future, drop by drop. Desert farming is about hope. It's about resilience and determination, where every drop of water counts. Farmers in these harsh environments face numerous challenges, but they also hold the promise of a brighter future. It's about finding ways to feed a growing population. As the world's population continues to rise, the need for innovative agricultural practices becomes more critical. Desert farming offers a unique solution to this pressing issue. By using water wisely and embracing new technologies, we can turn deserts into places of growth. Techniques like drip irrigation and the use of drones for efficient water distribution are revolutionizing how we approach farming in arid regions. The future of desert farming depends on our commitment to innovation and sustainability. Researchers are constantly developing new methods to improve soil quality and water usage, ensuring that these lands can sustain crops for generations to come. It's a challenge we must accept for the sake of our planet and future generations. By investing in sustainable practices and educating the next generation, we can create a legacy of growth and prosperity in even the most unlikely places.